Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. There is no genius without a touch of madness. He who is brave is free. Associate with people who are likely to improve you. Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. If a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable. It's not because things are difficult that we dare not venture. It's because we dare not venture that they are difficult. It is a rough road that leads to the heights of greatness. No man was ever wise by chance. It is the power of the mind to be unconquerable. As long as you live, keep learning how to live. Only time can heal what reason cannot. Begin at once to live and count each separate day as a separate life. Most powerful is he who has himself in his own power. Sometimes, even to live is an act of courage. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Life is long, if you know how to use it. There is no easy way from earth to the stars. Religion is regarded by the common people as true, by the wise as false, and by rulers as useful. As is a tale, so is life. Not how long it is, but how good it is what matters. You act like mortals in all that you fear, and like immortals in all that you desire. Fate leads the willing and drags along the reluctant. It is difficult to bring people to goodness with lessons, but it is easy to do so by example. What is harder than rock? What is softer than water? Yet hard rocks are hollowed out by soft water. Nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. He suffers more than necessary who suffers before it is necessary. Anger, if not restrained, is frequently more hurtful to us than the injury that provokes it. Life is like a play. It's not the length, but the excellence of the acting that matters. To wish to be well is a part of becoming well. It does not matter how many books you have, but how good the books are which you have. No man is crushed by misfortune unless he has first been deceived by prosperity. Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for crisis. Wealth is the slave of a wise man, the master of a fool. To always be fortunate and to pass through life with a soul that has never known sorrow is to be ignorant of one half of nature. Leisure without books is death, and burial of a man alive. If we could be satisfied with anything, we should have been satisfied long ago. Hang on to your youthful enthusiasms. You'll be able to use them better when you're older. A gift consists not in what is done or given, but in the intention of the giver or doer. The sun also shines on the wicked. The bravest sight in the world is to see a great man struggling against adversity. Ignorance is the cause of fear. We become wiser by adversity. Prosperity destroys our appreciation of the right. The man who has anticipated the coming of troubles takes away their power when they arrive. We should not, like sheep, follow the herd of creatures in front of us, making our way where others go, not where we ought to. To bear trials with a calm mind robs misfortune of its strength and burden. We should always allow some time to elapse, for time discloses the truth. It is not that we are given a short life, but we make it short, and we are not ill-supplied but wasteful of it. Two elements must therefore be rooted out once and for all: the fear of future suffering and the recollection of past suffering, since the latter no longer concerns me, and the former concerns me not yet. If you live according to nature, you will never be poor. If you live according to opinion, you will never be rich. Nature's wants are slight. The demands of opinion are boundless. Which quote was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.